Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In my previous video, I explained about dry riser system. Dry riser system we use in low-rise building. Low-rise building, it means the building having third or maximum fourth floor is called low-rise building. So in low-rise building we use dry riser system. But in medium riser building or high rise building or a skyscraper, we use wet riser system we use in medium rising or high rising or a skyscraper building. The building having up to 13th floor is called medium rise building, and up to 39 floor called high rise building, and above is called a skyscraper. So in medium rise building or high rise building we use wet riser system. In dry riser system, I already explained in my previous video. If you have not watched that one, then go and watch, so that this video will be very clear. In wet riser system, the supply of water is permanent. The only difference is the supply of water. In dry riser system, there is no any permanent water supply, and that one is depend upon civil defense truck. But in wet riser system, it not depend on civil defense truck. It's a permanent water supply, and it's having a tank, it's having a pump and fire storage tank. Fire water storage tank. That's why in medium rise building and high rise building we use wet riser system. Now it's clear what is wet riser system and where we use. Now we will design one by one in medium rise building and high rise building and skyscraper. That how to arrange the pipe and their piping layout, and size the pipe and size the water tank and fire pumps with hydraulic calculation. So suppose I am taking a medium rise building. Here pipe size is same as a dry riser system, but in wet riser system we do hydraulic calculation. On that basis we only size the pipe and pump. But in dry riser system there is no any pump, so we directly take 4-inch riser. But here it could be 4-inch or 6-inch, but we are not sure, so we have to do hydraulic calculation. So suppose we are taking a here a mid-rise building. Why? Because it's a 12th floor, and up to 13th floor 13th floor, it's called mid-rise building. That's why it's called mid-rise building. We already take this one mid-rise building for the example. After that, in next video I will show in a high-rise building and a skyscraper. Okay, so here we place a pump. Suppose we place already a pump. Okay, and we place a landing wall. Okay, landing wall with a fire hose reel. Okay, because here here it's mentioned that in weight riser system, in fire hose cabinet consists this item. Okay, this 165 mm landing wall outlet, which is this one. Okay, and outlet with hose reel. So hose reel, this one is the hose reel. Okay, 25 mm or 40 mm, it's depend on that location. It means if in Saudi Arabia we take 1.5, okay, the size. In Dubai or like Oman we take 1.5 mm or 25 mm. Okay, it's doesn't change anything. Okay, so two things I place already. And next, what? CO2 fire extinguisher and dry chemical powder. It consists in the fire hose cabinet in weight riser system. Okay, so here already I took here too CO2 and powder. Okay, we place already this in weight riser system. Inside the fire hose cabinet, all this one consist. Okay, include, and 165 mm fire hose nozzle. So this one is the fire hose nozzle. Okay, this is the nozzle, and this one is the 65 mm hose 30 meter. Okay, so we already place inside all the things inside the fire hose cabinet. Now we have to place inside the building, and inside the building and we will size this one riser and the pump size. Okay, so here we are going to place on every floor two landing wall. How to size the riser, or how to place the riser, how many we can take the risers in every building, we already explained in my previous video. So watch that one video. Okay, because the riser, we cannot simply take one riser or two riser. We have to take according to the zone limitation. In light hazard, it's a 52,000 feet square. If that floor is exceeding more than 52,000 feet square, then we take two riser. Okay, so all these hazards is different zone limitation. So kindly watch that my previous video. Okay, I'm going to place this every floor two landing wall. Okay, this is the ground floor. So our header will be here. So there is no need any landing wall on the header floor. Okay, so every floor I explain, every floor I copy this one landing wall. 7th, this is 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, and the second one I place here. Okay, it's taking time to loading. So other one, copy, and second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th. Okay, I already place all the learning wall on every floor. Okay, every floor I already place. Okay, and this is the pump. So we don't know the size of the riser. Okay, and in mid-rise building we take the header, one header, and the weight riser, that one is called a stand pipe. Okay, and from also that one header we take the pipe for a sprinkler system on every floor. Okay, each floor, and place the zone control valve. Okay, so we are going to drafting. Okay. Here suppose I take 6 inch, it means 150 mm pipe. Okay, we don't know the pipe size, we will size this one when we will do hydraulic calculation. Okay, so don't worry about this one, about the pipe size. Okay, we take here, and here we take the pipe size and end cap. Okay, end cap we placed because in further future we can open this one end cap and connect other pipeline, that's why. Okay, and next we take also 6 inch or whatever the size for a sprinkler system. Okay, when we will do hydraulic calculation for a sprinkler, then I will explain how to size the pipe, how to place the sprinkler. Okay, so don't worry about this one. Okay, and above this one we place the gate valve. Okay, gate valve, and this one we take side. Okay, okay, and also automatic release valve. Okay, so where is the release valve? Here. Okay, press the shift key and so it will, and the one gauge, but here is no any gauge, so we enter, no problem, and place one pressure gauge. Okay, but I did one mistake, because on 12th floor we have to take the zone control valve. Okay, and for this area, so this system should be above the roof. Okay, so I delete this one, and also this gate valve. Okay, Also this gate valve I delete, and it should be placed above the roof. Okay, above the roof it will be good. And for valving we take that one, gate valve side, the handle I take inside. Okay, other one we take the relief valve one. Okay, that's it. And one pressure gauge for checking our pressure. Okay, and every floor we take the zone control valve. Okay, but firstly I'm going to explain about this one, landing valve. Okay, so let me finish this one. Okay, firstly I connect all the this one riser. Okay, so it will take time. Our system is also a little bit slow. Don't skip any step, otherwise you will not be understand about drafting, because drafting is also very important. If we know all the designing and rules but we don't know drafting, then we cannot show the system and designing in the drawing. Okay, so don't skip any step. And it's very important, because in generally we design the mid-rise building or the high-rise building, but mostly we design mid-rise building like hotels or hospitals or etc. Okay, all this one is a mid-rise building, and in mid-rise building we place the landing wall and the fire hose cabinet and the sprinkler. Okay, so if you want you can skip the video, no problem. Okay, I should delete this one. Okay, sorry, I should delete because it's taking time. So I'm going to copy other one. Don't try to drafting very fast, otherwise always it makes mistake. Okay, so if you are designing, then take your time so that designing will be up to the mark and perfect. Okay, okay, class, and we are going to select this one. select every point. It should not be miss any point. See here miss one point. We can take this one like this, right click and select similar. Okay, but the problem is here it's selecting other thing, so we click press the shift and select the item to unselect. Okay, this one. We can do like this. Also select. Okay, class we already select all other things and copy from this point to we take this one anywhere here. Okay, I place here every point. See, each floor I already place. Okay, and here also we place the same air vent, gate valve and pressure gauge. Okay, so if you want to take on the same line, so we only snap this one point it's not a snapping. It's snapping. Then here click and place the landing valve, gate valve. Okay, also we take this one side and after that relief valve, automatic relief valve. Okay, and click enter and one pressure gauge. Okay, also this one same, same line, so we have to take that one, snap. Here is pipe. It's not snapping. Click pipe. I don't know why it's not snapping. No problem. Just click and right click at the valving, gate valve side. Okay, which side you want to take the handle of the gate valve and automatic relief valve. Okay, and close and enter. Take the pressure gauge and place on the riser. Okay, that's it. But also here we have to take that one branch. Okay, so you can take the branch, click here, take this one, click this and this. Okay, also I try if it's okay. It's taking or not. It's connecting. Also take that one. Okay, now it's taking the branch. Okay, all this one is the 6 inch. Okay, so but don't confuse about the pipe sizing. We will do a hydraulic calculation and size the pipe. Okay, but generally it's a rule that if more than 2 landing valve, we take the riser 4 inch. Okay, in dry riser system, but in wet riser system also we will take same 4 inch or 6 inch, but we will do hydraulic calculation. Okay, for sizing the pipe. And here, here in high rise building or medium rise building, we take the interconnected this one header. Okay, see in the in NFPA what it's saying that about the zoning, fittings, pipes, minimum wall thickness, 2 or more, here I was breaching inlet percentage, 4-way breaching inlet made for the breaching. These are connected to fire pumps. Storage made from the multiple civil defense department. In addition, a breaching inlet ground connected. Okay. Software, the wall, the riser. Okay. It's not. It is mentioned anywhere, but not. I'm not getting it right now. But the in mid-rise building, it should be the landing valve riser. It generally called wet riser. It should be interconnected. Okay. So we also take that one. Also it should be 6 inch. Okay, but not above the floor, above the roof. We take inside the floor. Okay. Okay. It should be interconnected. Okay. We take that one branch. It will be good. Class. Okay, already I place the landing wall each floor and draw the pipe size. Okay, it should be interconnected, but also this riser we take this riser for the sprinkler system. Okay, this one riser is connected to the landing wall and the hose reel. Okay, because this connection we can for hose reel we can connect like this. See, either it's a size 40 or 25. Okay, so this one it's already taken 25, no problem. We will take okay. Either we can take from this header, this one line, or directly. Okay, like this we can take. Okay, like this connection we can take for the landing wall and hose reel. Okay, for the zone control valve, suppose this is the first floor, we take 4" or 6". We don't know. Okay, I'm only placing the pipe, but for pipe sizing we will do hydraulic calculation, don't worry. Okay, see, in every floor we place the zone control valve. For zone control valve, in zone control valve there is a gate valve with actuator. Okay, that one is called supervisory valve. Suppose we take this one. Okay, and also in zone control valve or suppose this is the sprinkler system. So here we can take the alarm check valve. Okay, for this riser, so that when it activate, it should be showing the panel. Okay, so this is the ground floor. We place here alarm check valve and gate valve. Okay, the object is not conduit, no problem. We delete this one, and join this one line, okay, and for this we place here alarm check valve. Okay, so here alarm check valve. Okay, this will be check valve and one gate valve side. And it should be connected here. Okay, and this one is the branch. Okay, this is the gate valve and this is the alarm check valve. Okay, the distance of the alarm check valve should be from the floor to the here. See, alarm check valve distance from alarm check valve to the finished floor level. This distance should be 1.2 meter. Okay, and in every floor we take the zone control valve. Okay, every no, take this one. Zone control valve consists gate valve, okay, above, and gate valve okay, and pressure gauge and the one drain valve. Okay, so here no problem. Here we can control this one, this water through this gate valve. Okay, and the pressure gauge. Okay. Here flow switch, but flow switch here not available. Flow switch here not available, so we place the metering device. Okay. And see the end. And after that, this header will go on this floor for the sprinkler system. Okay, and here it should be, this one is the, suppose this one is flow switch, this is the supervisory valve. Okay, and here it should be a pressure gauge before and after. Okay, here it should be a pressure gauge, and after that here it should be a drain valve. Okay, so drain valve we take 3" for medium rise building. Take this one, gate valve. Okay. We take one, it should be a header. We can take this line, we can take this one drain pipe anywhere in the sump or the storage tank also we can take. Okay, and this one header we can delete this one fitting, this one fitting. This drain on every floor. Okay, here firstly let me connect this one branch. Okay, this is the zone control valve used for the sprinkler on every floor. Okay, we copy this one, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. It's taking time to copy all this one data. Okay, okay, every floor we place the zone control valve for the sprinkler system. Also this one header we place the gate valve and air relief valve, automatic release valve, and the pressure gauge. Okay, and the weight riser, the stand pipes in a mid-rise building. In low-rise building, no need to connect this one interconnected to header, okay, but in mid-rise building it's necessary as per the NFPA, okay. And this drain will go anywhere in a storage tank or a sump, okay. But here it should be the gate valve. Every header it should be a gate valve and drain valve, okay. So we place the gate valve here. Paralleling problem. Simple, take one line, state and extend. Okay. Now no any problem will come. What? Still here take and it's like this. Okay, then we take other header, no problem. 6 inch and here and the gate valve for controlling the water. Now it's coming different. Okay, and join. Okay, and the branch. That so every wet riser should be a gate valve for controlling the water. Okay. Here we take stream and the pipe. Seal problem. We take other one 6 inch. Okay. Snap. Gate valve. And join. No. Okay. So here it's not aligned. Okay, now it's aligned. See, and now it's two lines, so we join. Now it's one. It should be the gate valve. Okay, and for the draining of this one riser, it should be a drain pipe. Okay, so we take 2.5 inch for drain, no problem. Okay, okay, here, and the one gate valve. Okay, one gate valve, and copy this one from this point. From this point. Okay, for branch already left this one. Yes, for we can drain this one riser through this drain pipe. Okay, we can also control this riser with this help of this one gate valve. Okay, and the alarm check valve for the sprinkler system. This is the zone control valve, and for the draining of the sprinkler system, we can drain from this one through this pipe. Okay, then we will open this one gate valve, then water will come and it will come in the drain riser. Okay, so it's now done. Okay, but see, in NFPA already also it's explained that this riser we can take also. Here I am explaining also through this wet riser. Okay, we can take one line and place the zone control valve. Okay, zone control valve, and also take for the sprinkler system. Okay, also it's good. Okay, but if the sprinkler system and the landing valve and the hose reel system will be separate, then it's a very good. Okay, very good system. If something problem will come in the wet riser system, then a sprinkler will run. Okay, also this one we connect through the breaching inlet, and for the sprinkler system also we can connect with the 4-way breaching inlet, because in dry riser system it's a 2-way breaching inlet it should be. Okay, but in wet riser system it should be four-way breaching inlet. Here already it's here is the breaching inlet. Sorry. Fire hose cabinet, four-way. Here, see breaching inlet. Here the breaching inlet, four-way. Okay, so four-way. So in weight riser system, breaching inlet should be four-way. Okay. This one, see, this one in multiple weight riser system, the riser should be interconnected, okay, at the highest level. Okay, that's why I connected this one interconnected. Okay, already I interconnected on the highest level. If this building, suppose floor will be 34 or 39, then also on the 39th floor, last floor, the risers should be interconnected. Okay, now I explain everything about dry and wet riser system, but this one is the for medium rise building, but still we not size the pipe. Okay, so for sizing the pipe we will do hydraulic calculation in next video, because this video is going to be very long. Okay, yes, it's going to be very long. See, for sizing this one, the last from the pump to the last landing valve, here this is the last one. Here the pressure should be 6.9 bar. Okay, it means 100 psi. Okay, here last landing valve pressure should be 100 psi. Okay, so according to this pressure, okay, 100 psi, we will do the hydraulic calculation. Okay, third, but here also this is the breaching inlet. We can also connect to the breaching inlet, because breaching inlet is very important for the civil defense. Okay, this is the ground level, right? This is the ground level. So from the ground level, the breaching inlet distance should be 457 to 1219 mm. Between these, the breaching inlet should be. I already explained in previous video. You will watch that one. Okay. So here I place the breaching inlet, flange color or flange color. Okay. Here this is the breaching inlet, four-way. Okay. When water will come. Also, this is the alarm check valve. It means check valve works as a non-return valve. So we will take other breaching inlet for the sprinkler system. Okay, it's good. Here above the alarm check valve, we take here four-way, four-way breaching inlet. So one breaching inlet for the sprinkler system and other breaching inlet for the landing valve and hose reel or rake system. Okay, Now I explain already everything about this one. In next video, inshallah, we are going to see how to do hydraulic calculation and size the pipe. Okay, so if you learn something through this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.